Here is a 15-minute morning yoga stretch to get you ready for today. I'll see you on the mat. Namaste.
Let's begin in a seated position. Cross your shins and let your sits bones root into the ground. Settle your shoulders right over the hips. Push down through your seat and grow tall through your crown. If your lower back is rounding, slide a folded blanket or a yoga block under your seat. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. One more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, sit tall. Exhale, chin to chest. Feel the back of your neck stretch. Inhale, lift the chin, and as you focus on keeping the back of the neck long, tip the head back. Exhale, bring the chin towards your chest. Keep going. Inhale, chin up. Head down, breathe out. Head up, breathe in. Exhale, chin to chest. Chin up, breathe in. Exhale, bring the head back to center. Inhale, lengthen your neck. Exhale, keep the chin level and look over the right shoulder. Inhale, bring the head back to center. Exhale, look left, chin over the left shoulder. Inhale, turn the head forward. Exhale, move the chin to the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, look to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Keep going. Inhale, bring the head back to center. Find the tabletop position, shoulders over your wrist, hips over your knees. If you need more cushion under your knees, grab a folded blanket and place it at the center of your mat. If you need to rest the wrist at any time, try coming down onto your forearms. Kneeling side plank. Step the right foot back. Inhale, sweep the right arm to the sky. Exhale, draw your abs in. Inhale, rainbow the hips even higher. Exhale, bring your right hand back down to the mat. Other side. Inhale, left foot back, left hand to sky. Inhale, exhale. Reach taller on the inhale. Exhale, return to tabletop. Keep your left leg where it is and step your right foot forward. You can use your right hand to move that right foot forward. Allow your hands to frame your right foot. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Stay for the exhale. Inhale, rise up and draw your hands to heart center. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your elbow on the outside of the right knee. Gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale, find more length through your spine. Feel the crown drawing away from the tailbone. Exhale, move the left ribs forward and the right ribs back. Twist a little more. Long spine here. Breathe in. Hold the twist for one more exhale. Inhale back to low lunge. knee down. Unwind and bring the hands to the mat. Knee down, sweep your left foot to the right until your left shin is perpendicular to your right foot. Extend your arms out to the side. Exhale, gaze right. Breathe in, grow even longer through your outstretched arms. Exhale, soften your shoulders away from your ears. Inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, stack your right knee directly over the right ankle. Take another breath in and breathe out. Inhale, square your hips to the front of the mat and swivel the back toes to point to the back. Rest your hands on your thigh. Exhale, hands to the mat. Come back into tabletop. Separate your knees wide and let your hips sink back and down into child's pose. Come back into tabletop. Step your left foot forward and frame your left foot with your hands. If you need to, use your left hand to help your left foot step forward. Inhale, lengthen through your spine. Stay here for the exhale. Inhale, rise up and draw your hands to heart center. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, place your right tricep to the outside of your left thigh. Gaze beyond your left shoulder. Inhale. Exhale, deepen into the twist. Draw your left rib cage back and wrap your right ribs forward. Inhale, palms together, find even more length. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Exhale, back to low lunge, knee down, hands frame the left foot. Stay for the exhale. Sweep your right foot around to the left. Inhale, rise up, arms stretched out wide. Look beyond your left fingertips. Breathe out. Reach long through your fingertips. Inhale. Exhale, align the left knee directly over the left ankle. Inhale, widen and broaden across your collarbones. Exhale, relax the shoulders down away from the ears. Take another breath in and breathe out. Inhale, turn towards the front of your mat and swivel your back toes to point straight back. Bring your hands to your thigh. Exhale, lower your hands down to the mat. Come back into tabletop. Step your right foot forward and step your left foot forward. Bring your chest towards your thighs. Allow your neck and your head to be heavy here. Stay folded over and take hold of your opposite elbows. Slightly bend your knees and breathe. Gently shake your head yes. You can rock side to side. Then slowly shake your head no. Release any tension from the neck. And release forward fold. Slowly roll your spine up one vertebrae at a time. Reach your shoulders to the ears as you breathe in, and as you exhale, release your shoulders down. Inhale, arms reach up overhead, softening your shoulders down your back. Exhale, fold all the way down. With your feet hip-width distance apart, lace your hands behind your head. Inhale, lift halfway up. Exhale, fold. Hold here for a few breaths. To allow the neck to relax, apply a slight pressure with your hands at the back of your head. Stay folded over and very slowly release your hands down to the mat. Inhale, slowly roll up one vertebrae at a time. Exhale, find Tadasana. Shift your weight into your right foot and take the right hand to your hip. Inhale, raise the left knee to your chest and wrap your hand around the knee. Exhale, rest your eyes on a single point of focus to help with balance. Root the standing foot down. Draw the standing leg up as you breathe in. Work on your balance in this pose. You may fall out, and that's okay. If that happens, come back to Tadasana, stand tall, and begin again. Stay here for one more breath. Exhale, find Tadasana, float the leg down. Shift the weight into your left foot and bring your left hand to your left hip. Float your right knee up towards your chest and take hold of the right knee with your right hand. As you exhale, find a point of focus again. Keep your shoulders over your hips and draw your crown high. Breathe in. If you fall out, just come right back. Exhale here. One more breath in. Stand tall, shoulders over hips. Exhale, release your leg down, arms by your sides. Return to tabletop. Bend your knees and lower down to the mat. Shoulders over wrist, hips over knees. Walk your hands a few inches forward and step your right foot to the outside of the right hand. You can feel a stretch in your right inner thigh and maybe your front left hip flexor. Find tabletop once more. Left side, hands forward. Left foot steps up and out wide. Soften your shoulders. Slowly return to tabletop. Make your way onto your back. Plant your feet on the ground and let your knees point to the sky. Draw both knees into your chest. Take one final long inhale. Exhale, release your legs down towards your mat. Bring your legs straight and out wide, arms out wide to the side. Find relaxation here, allowing your body to melt onto the floor. Your eyes are closed. This is where we reap the benefits of today's practice, so please stay in Savasana for at least 2 minutes. Your breathing is normal. Be in this moment. Savasana. Feel free to stay in Savasana for as long as you'd like. May we be happy, healthy, and blissful. May we take the peace that we found today on our mats out into the world. The divine in me sees and honors the divine in you. Namaste.